how to properly adjust the Dixon counterbalance. Prior to any work, reference the safety section on page 14 of the loading arm manual and wear personal protective equipment or PPE during the adjustments of the loading arm. Loading arm springs are selected to support a designed load. If additional items are added to the loading arm, the spring needs to be adjusted to account for the additional weight. Also, over time, the springs wear and the loading arm may need to be adjusted to account for lost spring tension. To adjust the spring tension, start by lifting the loading arm to the highest possible position to unload the spring force and secure. Note, if the mechanical stop is positioned so that the arm can't be lifted high enough to remove all the spring's tension, then you must first remove the mechanical stop. It is located under the Dixon cover plate on the pivot arm side. Once tension is removed, make small half-turn increments to the adjustment bolt using an 1 1/8" wrench or socket. Note, tightening increases spring torque and loosening decreases spring torque. Use caution when releasing the arm. Allow the arm to settle into a natural position before determining whether or not further adjustment is required. Never use a cheater bar or breaker bar to make adjustments to the loading arm. This will break the adjustment bolt and result in possible injury if the loading arm is not secured.